Hey there. Have you ever wondered how sonic booms work with airplanes? Well, imagine this is you in this awesome airplane, and you're flying across the sky at probably 600 miles an hour. Now, the speed of sound is a little closer to 800 miles an hour. Now, as you fly, this rubber band is kind of the bubble, if you will, of sound and pressure around your aircraft as you fly, and it goes with you. But as your aircraft gets faster and faster and faster, you outrun it, essentially. And so then you really, really, really put the pressure on to the point where eventually you break through.